Yo, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove suggestion from Messenger. So basically Messenger suggests you people to be friends with or to chat with. So I'm going to show you how you can disable that. So to do that, what you need to do is go to your Messenger first, and then once you're on your Messenger page, what you need to do is click on the top left corner. There you're going to see your profile picture. Click on that and then it'll take you to this window. Now here what you need to do is scroll down and you'll find this option called phone contacts. Click on the phone contacts and you'll get two options: upload contacts and manage contact. So basically when you upload your contacts to Messenger, it pairs them with the accounts that exist on Messenger, and if or the phone number is associated with any of those accounts, it's going to suggest that person to you to contact with or to chat with. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to delete all the contacts that we have uploaded so far to Messenger, and then we're going to block or let's say turn off the option of uploading contacts. So to do that, what you need to do is first you're going to go and click on manage contacts. Remember, don't disable your upload contacts first. First, what you need to do is click on manage contacts, and it's going to do a little bit of loading. And once the loading is done, it's going to show you all the contacts. I'm going to blur mine here. So after that, what you're going to do is click on delete all contacts, and it's going to do a little bit of loading again. And after that, this prompt is going to open up, and it's going to tell you that your imported contacts are being deleted. So once that's done, what you need to do is go back and click on upload contacts, and here you're going to click on turn off. Once you do that, now all the contacts that you have uploaded so far to Messenger are deleted, and now you are no longer uploading your contacts to Messenger. Now Messenger won't find out about your contacts, and so it won't suggest you any contacts or any people to chat with or to be friends with. And this is how you remove the suggestion from your Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos just like this one, and see you in the next one. Peace.